How to fix Google Play services keeps stopping. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Google Play services keeps stopping. Now the first thing is your date and time. Simply scroll in the notification bar and head into settings. Once on settings, here what you want to do is from the search bar search in for date and time. Now head into date and time option, and here what you want to do is head into date and time option and make sure this automatic date and time is enabled. Now if you disable this, your Google Play services will keep on stopping. Now make sure it's on automatic date and time. The other thing what you want to do is you want to go ahead and reset the Google Play services data. Simply head into settings, head back to settings here, and what you want to do is scroll down until you find the option apps. Once on apps, what you want to do is search in for Google Play services. You can see once you type in Google here, Google Play services will pop up. At the bottom of the screen here, you can see you'll find storage option. Simply tap on storage option, and here at the bottom you can see manage storage option. Simply tap on manage storage and it'll ask you what you want to do. Simply tap on clear all data option and clear all data, and once you do this, it will fix the issue. So this way you can fix Google Play services keeps stopping. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.